Want to send cool and stylish messages on WhatsApp? In this video, I'll show you an easy trick to change your text style in seconds. First, open any browser on your phone like Chrome or Safari. Now, go to a stylish text generator website such as TypeText or any similar site. Once the page opens, you'll see a box where you can enter your text. Type any message you like, for example, "Hello bro," or "I miss you." After typing, scroll down and you'll find many different font styles automatically generated for your text. Take your time and choose the style you like the most. Next, tap on the copy button next to that font. Now your stylish text is copied to your clipboard. After that, open WhatsApp and go to any chat. Tap on the message box, paste the copied text, and hit send. Your message will now appear in a unique and stylish font. And if you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.